Welcome to Westlake. This brand new neighborhood in Woodway, Texas has everything you've been looking for in your new property. Conveniently located, tons of lots available, ranging in size and price point from 1/4 acre all the way up to 3 acres. Beautiful neighborhood with tons of amenities. Let's take a look and talk more about everything this neighborhood has to offer. There hasn't even been a single home built today, and it already feels like such a community with these huge sidewalks and all these green spaces. Even if I don't own one of these incredible lots right on the lake, I still have access to these priceless views. I can walk my dog and play with my kids and my friends and really enjoy everything Woodway has to offer right in my own neighborhood. So standing right here, I can see 3 or 4 lots that probably have this incredible view of Lake Waco. So right here, I can see the lake and all the trees, the twin bridges. I may not be able to get you oceanfront property in Arizona, but I can get you lakefront in Waco. Standing at the other end of this neighborhood, backdrop of beautiful Woodway green behind me and the lake out front. This neighborhood really has everything that you've been looking for. So if you've been searching for the perfect property in Woodway, Texas, I urge you to explore Westlake. Thank you so much for joining us today on this tour of the beautiful Westlake neighborhood. We're so blessed to have a community this beautiful and well thought out right here in our hometown. If you're curious about this neighborhood, the lots for sale, the amenities, or anything else we talked about today, feel free to leave a note in the comments or reach out to us directly. Thank you so much to Anna at Camille Johnson Realtors for allowing us to showcase this property today. And thank you to the developers for putting so much time, energy, and thought into this beautiful neighborhood. If you have questions, don't forget to leave a comment. If you liked what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next hidden gem here in Waco, Texas. Walking dogs and hanging out with your family. Welcome to Westlake, Woodway, Texas's newest. If you have questions, don't forget to leave a comment. This wind is really harshing my mellow. All the way to nearly 3 acres. No! That was fun. Okay. Please don't fall.